What's up, guys? What up? Okay, so Jimmy, what are we doing? We need to get Jimmy motivated because like I don't know, we gotta get him to do something.
Okay, we're back from Florida. It's late, I'm exhausted, I'm so tired. But we've been running around all day, doing some errands, getting things ready for the weekend, so now I don't know what to do, but DJ's here. DJ, what should we do today? So I was hoping to come back to a turbo kit for the Miata, and that was like supposed to be this week's plan, and I was excited. And we had some complications as everything happened. So now we're kind of skunked. So, Donald, it's your mission now.
It's my mission?
Yeah, it's your mission.
Drew, we need ideas.
Operation Fix Your 50.
Fix it?
Yeah, get her rolling again.
We could be able to do that. I don't know if they want to see that though, but what are you doing in this?
Trying to figure out how to boost it.
Oh, really?
10 out of 10.
I mean, I hung out with Cletus all weekend.
You got back from Florida and now you just want to do
I know.
fast things.
I know. Well, Cletus was...
Well, he did that in like 4 days, right?
Yeah,
He was like,
the engine bay of a Corvette's a little different, and I want mine to fit under the hood, but...
That's not going to happen. Is it possible?
Yeah.
It's possible, but I gotta get a hammer.
Oh.
I don't know, I think like it would be best to twin turbo it,
Yes.
but
Uh-huh.
in terms of piping wise, but I mean we could probably fit a single like under here,
You do have a lot of room down
so we can go like we flip the manifolds, we come in around here, but the heat is gonna be so bad, and then we have to put 2 more pipes back. So I don't know how that's gonna work, but we're gonna brainstorm.
Are you really doing this?
Dude, if it's possible to an extent, I would love to do it, but it is a tight engine bay. I'm okay with making the Z not that pretty anymore by putting...
If you're saying it, you have to do it, because do you know how many kids
Okay.
say that
I'm not saying I'm going to do it, but I want to see if
It's possible. Okay.
If it's a realistic goal, because I don't want to cut, my radio support out and stuff like that just to fit turbos in here,
I feel like every kid that owns an LS says they're going to church.
Oh, fuck it, they never do.
Do you know why they never do it?
Because they're pussies. But look at this. We have no fucking room.
There's a lot of room under here.
Yeah, but where are we gonna shove some fat? I mean, look at this, right here. Look how big this hole is.
Let's see.
We could fit pipes through there.
That is a
So we
big
do
hole.
2 single pipes up through here and put the turbo right in there. But then I might have to do like a fucking fender. I don't know how I'd get the exhaust back. And that's on the stock radiator, which is not gonna keep it cold if there's a turbo in it.
I don't think that'll cut it. Rear mount?
Ooh.
So I gotta bring our intake all the way up to the front. I don't know,
Run it
man.
under the car.
If you guys have some LS turbo Z32s, let me know.
Yeah, send them this way.
Look how tight it is. Like, look at this right here.
Yeah, that's already...
I don't know. Derek has been talking a lot about it.
Oh, that's okay. That makes sense.
So there's my small tease of possibly turboing my LS1. I really want to do it, but I don't know if it's gonna be easy enough to make it worth it. If that makes sense, I don't know. We'll see. But what are you guys doing up there?
Graveyard 50 down.
Big facts.
Yeah, you really gonna use this, DJ?
Hey! Just paint.
Hold on, look at this thing.
Jimmy,
I know.
Jimmy, I just got a frame.
DJ!
Sorry. I didn't.
Use your inside voice.
Look at this thing. What's the use of this thing?
A frame.
Then what the fuck are you using from this thing?
What?
What, a few
Everything
bolts?
else. It's all there.
Yeah.
Besides the motor. Wait, the bars are up there still.
What do you think he's putting a new frame on this thing?
A new frame.
Let's see if
DJ,
What?
doing a quick frame swap?
Frame swap?
is she Oli?
No.
A little hot. She's a little hot.
She's a little hot. Get the VIN, scratch it off real quick. So tonight we don't have too much going on, so we're gonna try and just be productive. I know it might not be the most entertaining thing, but we gotta take apart the S13. After being in Florida, I realized that I miss having my drift car all together, and it's the winter. I mean, I'm gonna have no excuse to drive this car for another 4 months, so it's time to get it right. So, as you guys know, I crashed it pretty bad. It's definitely repairable. I'm not gonna be tubing the whole front end, but I will be replacing the fender, repairing the hood because the hood is savable. So this is the East Coast winter ritual, and that is just ripping your drift car apart for the winter. If this car was still perfect, if this car ended the season perfect, I'd still feel the need to rip it apart and redo it. So let's take her apart. Nice. It's the future, Drew. Come on. You're not cave.
No, come on, I'm caveman.
Drew, it's the future. Look at the whole squad's got my back right now.
Supporting it with my head. That's really using your head, you know what I'm trying to say?
You feel me?
You feel me?
Drew, you got that?
I got it.
Damn, Donald, you're getting thick.
Right nowadays? It's all them milkshakes.
1. Alright. 3, 2, 1, action!
It's off.
All right, where the hell am I gonna put this
Put a
thing?
blanket on top of the...
No, just put it on the roof of this thing. Yeah, just
Like that?
well, this is going. This is
No, it's
something that should have gone 2 years ago.
Can I jump through it?
Always put your boats back so you don't...
Breast and potatoes.
Yeah, dude. It's
Oh, it's
wet.
probably oil. Is it oil?
I don't. Let me see. It's soaked over here. That's oil.
Should I give it a taste?
I did. The weight?
That's definitely oil.
10W 30. 15W 40.
2050.
Oh, fuck.
You guys don't remember the damage? This is it. It got a little crunched over here, but it's still not bad. I didn't touch the strut tower, which is great. I mean, the radius support looks pretty straight until you get about here. Thing's still straighter than Jip, and that's all that matters.
Got him.
The only reason I'd be for tubing it, which still I don't think is worth it, is just because it'd be fun to learn and be fun to do. And we could like go crazy with it. But I mean, look, this side is still beautiful. All that metal work we have.
It's not bad enough.
That's what I'm saying. A little bit of Bondo, some single stage, we'll be straight.
Jimmy, what's this? Jimmy.
I got a bloody nose. I've been hanging out with Donald too much. Oh, look at that.
Ooh. Crust in there.
All right, we're gonna do a giveaway. Who wants it? Drew Tube's a winner.
Thank you. Woo! I'd like to thank my mom, Tucker. That's all I got.
Doesn't look as bad when the car's apart.
I think it looks worse when
It
it's,
does look
when
really
it's
bad,
off. Yeah.
Looks pretty bad.
'Cause you could now see,
All the crumple.
like,
That's like cold as fuck. Look at that. Look at the paint's like.
Whoa!
I touched it. It just
Okay.
happened.
My intercooler's still good. I got a little bit of little rash.
that's not bad though.
Oh man, my nose is still bleeding. No, I'll fix it. Ready?
I don't know what that is. You got
Jim, you're back.
your hernia. You're gonna hurt your kidney, don't
You know, my L7 hurts.
L7.
Is that like your vertebrae?
I'm so glad that DJ's on the same brain level as I am. Because, like, Jim Louie will use these chemical engineer ass terms. And be,
You just have me a wall.
I was watching Grey's Anatomy. That's all I know.
L7.
Lumbar.
Look how fucking what are your vertebrae? Are they numbered like L?
Yeah,
fucking,
yeah. They're numbered. Yeah.
Is it L?
Oh my
I don't know.
L is lumbar. Yeah.
Just unbend.
Hey, see, I know this guy's got the biology shit over here.
DJ also is just as awesome.
Look how flimsy. Once you bend a radius support, they're fucking like tinfoil after that.
Never.
You can move, take your hand.
All right, I'll wait for Bri because he has these tools that clamp on here and yank it. But for now, we're just gonna stare in disappointment. So this was my catch can for the last couple events.
Trying to make sure there's a
Here we go. It worked, dude.
Did.
Try it.
Take a swig. Too bad Dudley was. No, you.
No.
If Dudley was
I
here,
do
do it.
Should I do it?
Knock it back. A capful. Like half a cap.
No, stop this. I don't even want to see this.
I think I could die from that.
I just give a shits.
Drew, get off the phone with the Noto, please. And
Jip, say hi to the camera.
Hi,
Hey, camera.
This happens. Jip just FaceTime so we can hang out with us when he's not here.
it's like that episode.
Put him right in the engine.
We're gonna put him right here. There you go, Jip. All right, ready? Let's see if we can bend this. Ready? 2, 3. Come on, Jip. Pull harder.
Come on, Jim.
Pull harder,
Pull
Jip.
your forehead. That's not going anywhere.
This is not happening. Look how thick this shit is.
You got Jip harder. Tuck, get it.
Tucker,
Get it, Tucker. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Get it.
Come on, Tucker.
Oh, that's not going nowhere.
Hi, bear. Hey, turkey. Turkey. Tucker.
We're bringing in the big power.
Yeah.
The big
Our
guys.
18-wheeler.
Get her on there.
Come on! Don't let us down! Come on! Come on! Let's go! Come here! Come here! Use your legs! Come on!
Pull, Tuck.
Yeah, Tuck, you got it! Tucker. You got it! We're almost there, Tucker! Wow, look at you go!
Come on, take your booty.
Oh, he's so strong. Look at him. Okay, I think we're there, guys. I think we're there. Tucker. You're such a good boy, you work mule, you.
How did it come out?
Dude, it looks brand new. You really did the trick. Not bad, right?
That's all you need. One thick boy.
Tucker the body man.
Furry boy.
Watch out, B. Tucker's coming for your job.
What'd you say, Jip?
Use a ratchet strap and use the lift post.
A ratchet strap.
I need to come along.
Thing will
A
blow.
ratchet strap will be fine.
It'll blow its back out.
I'll blow your back out.
I hope. We don't need no ratchet straps, Jip.
What are you going off of?
Don't worry, Chip.
The radiator, dummy. This is innovation.
So, best thing about the factory Nissan jacks is if your car is too low for a regular jack, you use this to get it like just high enough. Did Tucker fart or was that you?
Fun fact.
That was on me.
Jip, did you shit your
Drive
pants
up
again?
blocks like Wallingford. One more twist.
He's watching. I didn't realize you were watching me. I don't want to take too much off the front. We got to leave the crash bar on so we can pull it. And then the intake and intercore piping I will take off, but I don't want to expose just yet because God forbid something gets in there. But we're going to take the wheels off because this one, oh, and that one, they both need a rebuild. That one needs like a cleanup. This one needs like a whole new lip. So these are hollow lips, so they're a little bit weaker. And that's why it bent, but it's good because I'd rather have this bend than something else in my suspension. All right, so I just went and took the tires off of the Blitz, and there's some bad news. They're two-piece, so they were welded in Japan, which I was not expecting because these are such aggressive fitting wheels. So a lot of wheels that come from Japan, they weld the barrels and lips together because they buy these for basically their daily driver, and they never want to have a leak or anything, and they're going to leave them like that. These are 17 by 9 plus 19, which is very, very aggressive. When they sell these in Japan, they usually sell them through like most of the time, as far as I know, is they usually sell them to like a dealership, which they won't sell you like crazy spec wheels. They'll usually sell you like a legal spec of your car. So you're not allowed to have like some 17 by 11 on a Toyota Corolla over there. When the car comes by 7s, they're going to probably give you a 7.5 if you ask. So with these wheels, they must have been for a car that was actually pretty aggressive, and we're assuming it's most likely for a GTR because GTR wheels are pretty aggressive to this same spec, same pattern, and this seems like a very common wheel for that. So that's pretty badass that these are original spec wheels. I mean, I looked at the back of the face and it does say 17 by 9 plus 19. I should have assumed they were welded at that point, but if I had all 4 of these, that would be pretty freaking badass if they're original spec that way. But it's whatever. I'm gonna have to get these cut, which isn't a huge deal. It just isn't as easy as unbolting and spreading apart like I thought. So, and a lot of you guys are probably asking why I just don't get these repaired. The only problem I have is the fact that one, the lips are already chewed up to begin with, and then 2, this lip right here is actually hollow. Sometimes they're solid, but they do this for basically weight. That's about it. And if you try and bend this back, you'll never get it right because you can't get inside and kind of bang it out. And I mean, maybe you can. I'll do some more research, but I don't know. The lips are affordable enough that I don't mind separating and putting them on. So, what a pain in the ass, though. What's up, y'all?
I'm gonna wipe the mayonnaise off my face.
Brian, I missed you.
What's that?
How you doing?
Next trip, you gotta come with me. I can't live without you.
I know. I wanna adventure the world with Jimmy Oaks.
So, of course, we pulled apart the S13. Not even. I took my fucking fender off. I guess it's not really pulling apart. But what do you think? Be more intimidated after taking it off, or feeling
Less.
Dude, you guys straighten out the crash bar?
How'd you do that?
Tucker.
No.
I'm kidding. We used like a factory jack and like pole.
Sick. I'm gonna bring some clamps.
Oh yeah, clamp right onto here. It's nice that it has this little flap that you could use your clamp on.
Yeah, kind of pinch weld. I love seeing that kind of thing.
You guys are gonna watch B-Hall do his magic once again. Tips and tricks, B-Hall.
Tips and tricks with B-Hall.
I like it.
That's gonna be a new segment.
What else should I do to get it ready? Just take off the intake and intercore pipe then? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool. Okay, cool. You like fell asleep on the damn car. You good there?
Honestly, this is one of the most comfortable seats in the house. Headlight bucket area is pretty awesome.
Conform to your ass.
It is.
I mean, yeah, you're right. This is like the spot to be in.
Chill spot.
Dude, this is it.
I'm telling you.
We should just turn it into a. Let's just chop the front clip off.
Honestly,
Make it a seat.
not a bad
We
idea.
could play GTA like this.
We'll start buying every S chassis and just cutting it apart.
Street Faction
Turn it
Bash
into a
Bar.
couch.
Perfect seat.
What's up, Jimbo?
Hey, what's up?
How's things going?
So my turbo's like, it's getting a little bit of shaft play, but it doesn't smoke really. Got a little bit. The real question is, do I just send it until it really goes, or suck it up and try and buy a new one? Or just send it and get another ISR turbo. See how that goes. So many options. I'm all about trying it out.
We got time though.
We got time though. A part of me is like, yo, let's just take the one shape from my FD and put it in here and put an SR in the FD.
Wow, you said that on camera?
Yeah, boys. Let me know what you think, because I'm serious.
I hate you.
Something big just happened, B.
What happened?
I wasn't aware of this until someone just DM'd me, but
200,000.
isn't that crazy? 200,000 of you guys somehow subscribe to this thing right here. This is all right, here we go. Reset. How crazy is that? I'm too tired to act too excited, but that's pretty nuts.
That is awesome. Congratulations, man. Thanks to you guys.
And you.
I helped a little.
You helped a lot. But that is badass. That is cool. I was not expecting that to happen today, which is sick. But my goal was for that to happen by the end of the year. We talked about that, remember? Yeah. Like, if we could happen before 2019, that'd be sick, and it did. So thank you, all of you, for subscribing. If you guys aren't subscribed, subscribe. Let's get to 300K. Screw it. Let's just keep going. Sound good?
Next 100K will be a fun one.
All right, so S13's like somewhat apart. It's kind of unfortunate we found out that my Blitz are 2 pieces. And what else happened today? Like nothing. So whatever. Hope you guys still like today's video, and we'll be getting back into the track of things soon. I still have to dyno the Black Z one more time to see if it magically fixed itself somehow. I don't know, but we're gonna end it. I'm gonna start talking here, so we'll see you guys tomorrow. So like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content in B-Hall.
Have a great night, guys.